First, I want to thank Elevate, and thank you to the facilitators, Jeffrey, Jeremy, Danielle, Greg, Jaden, Katie. Thank you all for guiding me and helping me through everything. Thank you, Detox, Kitchen, Security, Maintenance, and a huge thank you to HSO for helping me with like my diabetes and letting me hang out for hours. Elevate has helped me grow in so many ways. Physically, I gained 30 pounds. I love doing yoga. I even started doing CrossFit and I don't totally hate it. Mentally, I'm so much happier than before I got here. Elevate has helped me through so much in such a short time. Being here, everyone knows it's really the community that makes this whole thing work, and I'd like to thank a few specific people who really made my time here special. Renee, you've been such an amazing friend and roommate. I love you. Brock, thank you for always being there for me and making me laugh. And Christina, you're my best friend, and I couldn't have done this without you. I love you so much. And to everyone that I didn't mention, you all made my time here so fun and memorable. Thank you to my family for getting me here and supporting me. And a special thank you to the trainees. Thank you for supporting me and being so welcoming. You guys have made me so excited for like my next chapter in life working with you guys. And I did it!
We believe that you should empower the individual and that we need to show them what went wrong and then give them their power back so that they can tackle addiction as an issue and overcome that.
With your program, how successful are you?
And so we track them all the way through the program and then after the program. And last year we ranked #1 in the entire nation based off of success and overall results.
So if people wanted to get more information, where do they go?
ElevateRehab.org.